Hey guys, this is Michelle, and today I want to show you a poster concept team workflow that I built in FLORA. So let's get started. I first dragged out a bunch of images as poster references that I like. I marquee selected all my reference images, and I wanted to train a style with them in FLORA. So I clicked create a style, and since I already trained before I record this video, these are all the assets I used in training the style, and I named the style contemporary poster design, which is already in my style assets. While this style is training, I'm going to start designing the actual content and brainstorm my poster. So I'm actually trying to create a New York Tech Week poster for FLORA, and I want to conceptualize it using FLORA. Since I'm using Ideogram 3.0, which is a really good model for typography and graphic design, and on their model release announcement page, there is a pretty fire poster design where it also provided you with a sample prompt. So I kind of took that prompt and edited in my own way for my own content that I wanted to create. In this block, I connected it with a previous block that I dragged out from an image block where I asked the model to analyze some visual graphic element for me and summarize it in the block. So that is why I had a connection block where I asked for the content of my event and also the visual element and the style that I would eventually use one text block to merge them into a text prompt that could be most optimally fed to the ideogram text-to-image model. Actually, the generations are not terrible as I thought they would be. They're actually pretty good, and I thought I followed one direction that was kind of calling me, so I added a background using the GPT image, asking the model to swap something with a chrome liquid background. And here we have two versions that is actually not that terrible. And here I just kind of gave it a prompt with a different style. And since here I'm using a Flux dev model, all the styles are pretty much applied. I really like this one with the super bold graphic signage on the actual text, and yeah, I'm just here exploring some more other reinforced style and graphic design element. But yeah, I super fast iterated on a few different directions using FLORA as my creative canvas, and right now I can just pick the one I wanted and export it into Photoshop and do some typographic tweaks and some post-production finishes. I actually ended up exploring two different more creative directions. I had this two images that I generated, of course different style from Midjourney, and I wanted to try to incorporate both of them on the poster in their own aesthetics. Yeah, and the results are not that bad. And I also used FLORA to generate the opening title background video. So yeah, subscribe for more content and comment for what kind of workflow you guys want to watch for next time. I'll see you all in the next video.